Do you run high volumes of capsules for your supplement brand? Are you frustrated that your contract manufacturer requires those worrisome flow and anti-caking agents in your high volume encapsulation jobs? We at PureNSM have spent over 30 years honing our skills in manufacturing without magnesium stearate and things like rice extracts that contain seed oils. We mechanically condition the powder in order to achieve perfect flow. We are a great choice for a high volume supplement brand that truly wants clean labels.
Here are some of the many benefits you will experience when you partner with PureNSM. Transparency and honesty. We encourage our clients to ask questions, tour the facility, and verify our GMP certifications directly on UL and NSF websites. Excellent customer service. You will have access to experienced team members that not only respond quickly, but have valuable insights. Our support is ongoing and does not stop. This is evident by the amount of repeat orders we receive. Experience. With over 100 million bottles made and over 30 years of manufacturing experience in pure production methods, we have learned a thing or two about manufacturing. Draw on that experience to set your products apart from the competition. We give back. We aim to enrich your knowledge base during your first phone call with us. Learn, for example, why many HPMC capsules contain carrageenan, and make sure you can avoid it. Don't risk your brand's reputation on an uninformed manufacturer. Make an appointment today with PureNSM.